Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is dal tadka. I have used two types of tadka in this dal. For this recipe, I have used some diced onions, green chillies, turmeric powder, garlic cloves, tomatoes, and I have used Mung dal. I have soaked it for about 10 to 15 minutes and I added all those ingredients in the dal. I covered the pot with a lid and let it boil on high heat. When the dal came to a boil, I removed the lid. I let the dal boil on medium-low heat until it was completely cooked. I did not cover it with a lid. I made sure that I stirred occasionally so it doesn't stick. I think the best thing about dal is that everyone makes it differently. And that's why there are so many delicious kinds of dal recipes out there. I added some cilantro stems. This gives a very nice flavor and aroma to the dal. So I'm using just the stems. I'm gonna use the cilantro leaves for garnishing later. Make sure you stir the dal occasionally. I also prepared rice meanwhile. This is just regular steamed rice. I now added the salt into the dal. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I'm gently mashing the dal. Well, the moong dal doesn't need too much mashing. It's just the tomatoes that I'm mashing. I added some hot water to adjust the consistency. I now added the first tadka and I sliced the onions.
To cut the onion against half moons.
I have used ghee for my tadka. You can use oil if you want. Now I added the onions and let it slightly golden brown. Now I have added only the onions. I'm going to save this ghee for my second tadka. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Now it's the time for second tadka. Into this I have used some dried red chillies, garlic, curry leaves. In the ghee, I added some zeera, dried red chillies, garlic, curry leaves, and I turned off the stove and added 1 tablespoon of dal masala. You can use any brand. Give it a good mix. Now I added this sizzling tadka on the dal. I gave it a good mix and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Our dal tadka is ready. I have served this dal with rice, aloo bhindi and some achar. You can find aloo bhindi recipe in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!